my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all an old-fashioned Southern peach crisp. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and we're going to top it with a luscious cinnamon oatmeal crisp topping. How tasty does that sound? And this dessert is perfect to end the summer's meal. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my peach recipes playlist and my previous video, Summer Berry Galette. I'll post links to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your oatmeal, your spices, and your peaches sugar, because we're about to bake some peach crisp magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the peaches. Over here I have 6 beautiful juicy yellow peaches. We're going to peel them and slice them. Alrighty my friends, I'm through slicing my peaches and I put them in my bowl. Let's give them some sugar, shall we? We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of ground allspice. And last but not least, we're going to add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and that's a whole capful. Give this a quick stir until everything's well incorporated, and it will create a glaze. You can smell the spices and the lemon juice. So now we're going to let the peaches rest for about 30 to 40 minutes until they soften. Alright my friends, the peaches is nice and soft. Now we're ready to scoop them onto the pie plate. We're going to scoop them in the 9-inch ungreased pie plate. Spoon the peaches, and you don't want all that glaze in there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping my peaches in, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my peaches into my pie plate, so now we're going to set it aside while we work on our cinnamon oatmeal crisp topping. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup each of all-purpose flour, and oatmeal. I'm using the 1-minute oatmeal, or you can use the old-fashioned. And our spices, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground allspice, and a pinch each of salt and ground nutmeg. Give these a quick stir until it's well combined. And now for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of cold unsalted butter that I cut into cubes. And using clean hands, we're just going to cut the butter in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright, as soon as I get through cutting the butter in, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing the butter in. Nice and crumbly. That looks great. Now we're ready to sprinkle it on top of the peaches. And it doesn't have to be pretty. Looks so good, it's not even baked yet. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this beautiful peach crisp in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 to 45 minutes until golden brown and the peaches are bubbly. Alright, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned Southern peach crisp. Doesn't it look delicious? The oatmeal crisp topping is nice and golden brown. Look at the peaches and juices, bubbly. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let the peach crisp cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The peaches is flavorful and tender. And I love that crunch from the oatmeal crisp topping. And I can taste the cinnamon and all the spices. Oh, ain't nothing like fruit crisp. Any kind of fruit crisp. This peach crisp is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Peach crisp luscious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.